Greetings. The gospel reading of today, Jesus says, "Take heed and beware of covetousness, for a man's life does not consist in the abundance of his possession." We are living in a world where people think that what will define them as human beings is what they possess, what they acquire. But it is not so. What will really define us as human beings is not what we acquire, but what we can give, is what we are able to share with others. Let us always be conscious of the fact that whatever God has given to us should be shared with others, with humanity. May God give us the grace to always share our possessions with others.